Hi guys, so we have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. So this is the box that it comes in. Basically shows the three colors: space gray, the golden and the silver. That's the main three colors. And the brandings for the phone and the brand MI. It's a compact little box. On the back we have the basic details about the Redmi Note 3. And congrats, way to go, made in India. This phone came out in February 2016. So let's see what hides behind it. So we have the phone itself. It's a nice little phone with a quite good clear screen. And all sorts of languages in it. So we have the English India. Next. Let's get this started while I show you the other things. So, inside the box you also get the USB charger plug, the USB charging cable that also doubles up as the data cable, and inside this you have the SIM ejector tool. Easy to take out, so you press that and pull it out. Easy as that. Also in that you also have the manuals. The quick basic shows the basic outlook of the phone, where the menu button is, what button stands for where, the quick start and the warranties, what it stands for. So let's show you the phone. So you have the normal phone, and we have somewhere we have India. There you go. It's a nice little phone with aluminum body with this fingerprint detector on the back, just under the flashlight of the camera here. You also have the IR port on the top, so you can double up as the TV remote, the 3.5mm jack, and there's a microphone next to it. On the sides you have the standby button and the volume rockers. On the other side you have the SIM tray, and on the bottom you have another mic and the normal micro USB charging port. You also have at the back the speaker grill under the MI branding. So we have So there you go. We have some problem. It's loading its app, but it's a nice little phone. The screen is 5.5mm from one edge to the other. It's a HD screen which shows colors very vividly, which you'll see in a minute as soon as the phone loads up. So here we have the home screen of the phone. It's just as the iPhone is. There's no menu as such, so you just scroll and you have all the apps. And basically, for example, if you go into phone and your settings, so that's the phone. Be sure to have a look at the detailed review and click like and share with us. Thank you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.